Hello, my dreamy Pisces. The tarot that we draw for you under this full moon is the Nine of Cups reversed. Picture a figure seated proudly on a wooden bench, dressed in a vibrant red turban and a 9 perfectly arranged cups behind them. From the outside, everything appears abundant and celebratory, yet their posture and the expression hint at a subtle discomfort, a quiet sense that emotional fulfilling isn't landing fully. This is the tension between the outward success and the inner satisfaction. In love, this energy reminds you that even relationships that look perfect on paper may leave the heart unfulfilled if depth and honesty are missing. Complacency or overindulgence in comfort can dull emotional connection. The card asks you to notice where satisfaction has become routine rather than nourishing. In career or work, take a step back and ask yourself, what does success look like to me, and how will I know am I truly successful? If your outside world isn't bringing contentment, it is time to change your definition of success rather than chasing what looks impressive externally. For an overall well-being, the reversed Nine of Cups signals moderation. Too much comfort, abundance, indulgence that isn't aligned with your heart will feel heavy. The guidance here is clear, my dear. Instead of doing what you think will make you happy, do what actually makes you happy. At its core, the card says, too much of what looks perfect can still leave you empty on the inside. Sit with the insight, my dear Pisces, and if you wish to explore the message for the other zodiac signs or deep dive into the realm of tarot, I recommend checking out the other forecasts. Full moon blessings to you.